Farming is more than just work in the field or feeding animals. It's also about making sure our tools perform whenever we need them. My tractor is my companion, my workhorse, and it has never let me down. One way to keep it performing reliably is to ensure it breathes clean air. The conditions we operate in can be tough, but by using the right filters, I keep the tractor in top condition. At the start of my working day, I check the condition of my equipment's air cleaner. When the indicator shows up green, I can start working. At the end of each day, I check it again. If I see my air filter is getting to its maximum capacity, I plan to replace it. Colleagues in the field are telling me it's easier to just blow them through. Or knock them on the ground and they're as good as new. Well, as good as new is not good enough for me. By blowing through them, the filter media could get damaged, letting unfiltered air flow straight into the engine. By knocking them on the ground, the structure of the filter seal can get damaged, leading to unsealed areas in the filter housing, again letting dirty air through into the engine. I use the Donaldson original parts to replace my air filters, and they've never let me down. I'd rather spend some money on quality replacement parts than get stuck in the field. I rely on Donaldson to keep me going. I almost forgot. For more information on how to replace filters, follow this link.